It's Monday, November 7th, 2011, and we're at Raleigh's gem of a small park, the Durant Nature Park, which is in the north edge of Raleigh, and in the middle of it there's a small lake, which is where we now are, and we're just going to simply pan around and give you a general view of the lake, hopefully slowly so we do it right. Colors are bright, not quite at peak, but almost. So we'll just try and pan around here. And the other side there's a man doing some fishing. We just saw another guy who caught with nice looking bass, which he's going to have for dinner tonight. He also says he saw a 40-pound catfish. Don't know if that's a true story or not, but that's his claim. Didn't say he caught it though. Okay, we're just going to go back again. And we'll call it quits.